Small Business Marketing in 2024, the ultimate guide. Small business marketing today typically focuses on establishing a strong online presence, but your options aren't limited to just the web. Figuring out how to best reach new customers, connect with former ones, and maintain long-term relationships with buyers will look different for every small business. Depending on their goals, budget, target audience, and product. Optimizing your marketing strategy, even if you are just starting out, is one of the keys to success. Keep reading for some of the best strategies for your small business marketing. What is small business marketing? Small business marketing means using every available resource to share, promote, and build awareness around your brand. In theory, doing this should increase your customer base and drive up sales. In practice, it's a little trickier. Marketing can get expensive and time-consuming very quickly, so it's important to understand how it works and what options are the best for your business. No matter the size of your business, marketing is not optional if you want to be successful. Gone are the days of relying on word of mouth, or the occasional magazine ad. Small business marketing today means pushing across a variety of platforms and utilizing several different avenues simultaneously to stay in front of customers. Why is small business marketing important? Small businesses marketing is important because it has the potential to share your message with customers who may not be familiar with your business. Capturing new interests and leads through marketing not only grow your sales, but it also helps establish a presence and sense of authority around your brand. By creating and sharing valuable content across different channels, small businesses are able to reach new audiences. Engage with them in real time, offer helpful information, and gain insight into what future strategies will prove to be the most successful. Types of small business marketing. There are many different types of small business marketing, and all the options can feel overwhelming quickly. Before you decide on a marketing plan, it's helpful to conduct some research about the different possibilities, which choices are recommended for your business category, and how much each one costs. Websites, social media, email, blogs, and print are some of the available options, in making strategic choices helps lead to the best outcomes. Email marketing. Yes, email has been around for a long time, but it's still one of the most effective forms of marketing available, and it comes with a low price tag. This marketing strategy usually consists of sending out mass emails to prospective, current, and former customers, with content that may include business updates, promotions, and special product information. Email marketing is a flexible solution, since every part of the message can be customized to fit your business and what you want to share. Personalized emails can be sent to specific groups of customers, with targeted information that has been created to appeal to their exact needs. There are several ways to collect email addresses, including website signups, running a contest, or offering incentives and discounts. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is all the rage, and for good reason. Utilizing platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, X, and Facebook, Meta allows businesses to reach potential customers across the globe, collecting new followers and buyers constantly. This style of marketing isn't going away anytime soon, so pay attention to what is trending, even when it feels overwhelming. If you're just getting started with social media marketing, choose one outlet to begin with and do some research into how to best harness its power. This may include posting daily, creating reels, investing in paid ads, partnering with an influencer, or building up the number of followers. No matter what you decide to do, engagement will be key. Customers want to know that the businesses they buy from care about their needs, want to hear their opinions, and will respond to questions or concerns quickly. Content marketing. Content marketing is a strategy that small businesses can employ to create and nurture customer relationships. Its purpose is to provide relevant, informational, educational and entertaining content that will draw people in and make them want to learn more about your brand. The key to successful content marketing is to use it strategically and make it beneficial to your target audience. It should never be heavy-handed or forceful but, instead, helpful and interesting. The ultimate goal of content marketing is to establish your presence as an authority about whatever product or service you provide. This is done by capturing and retaining customers' attention, which is incredibly difficult to do in our fast-paced world. When done correctly, content marketing can capture every point of the buyer's journey, from the moment they start browsing casually until they make the decision to purchase from your business. Search engine optimization, SEO, marketing. This marketing strategy uses the process of SEO to help your business website or shared content rank higher on search engines like Google. When performing a keyword search for a product or service, users tend to focus on only the first several results that pop up. So, if your business sells high-quality kites, you will get the most traffic if your website is one of the top results that people see when they search for best kites. SEO marketing comes into play when a small business opts to implement calculated methods that will help maximize its search engine rankings. This is done by including several different tactics simultaneously to gain the most momentum possible. The fundamental SEO marketing strategy uses keywords, internal links, image optimization and competitive analysis. Mobile marketing. It goes without saying that everyone has their eyes on their phone almost constantly. Mobile marketing is an excellent way to capture this attentive audience, often without them realizing that they are being marketed to. By using available tools like location tracking and search history, businesses are able to customize their marketing campaigns to mobile users. Placing ads on social media or embedding them in websites means reaching more potential buyers every day, no matter where they are. As a general rule, mobile marketing is much cheaper than traditional advertising and isn't overly complicated to set up. You'll need to start by making sure that every aspect of your own small business website is completely mobile friendly, from browsing to purchasing. Once that is set, you can begin experimenting with other options, such as location-based ads, sending customers short message service, SMS, messages and in-app promotions. Traditional marketing. While it's nowhere near as popular as it once was, traditional marketing can still be a crucial part of your small business marketing strategy.